In this video, I will show you a comprehensive comparison between Convertri and ConvertKit, two powerful tools with distinct features tailored for different needs. Firstly, let's delve into Convertri. Known for its lightning-fast page loading speed and drag-and-drop editor, Convertri is a go-to choice for marketers looking to create high-converting landing pages and sales funnels. With its intuitive interface, you can effortlessly design captivating pages optimized for conversions. Plus, Convertri offers advanced features like A/B testing and dynamic text replacement to maximize your marketing efforts. On the other hand, ConvertKit shines as an email marketing platform designed specifically for creators. It boasts powerful automation capabilities, allowing you to nurture your audience with personalized email sequences. ConvertKit's visual automation builder makes it easy to set up complex workflows without any coding knowledge. Moreover, it offers customizable opt-in forms and landing pages to help you grow your email list effectively. When it comes to pricing, Convertri offers flexible plans starting from $99 per month, while ConvertKit's pricing is based on the number of subscribers you have, making it a budget-friendly option for smaller businesses. Start from $0 per month up to 10,000 subscribers. In conclusion, Convertri is ideal for marketers focused on creating high-converting landing pages and sales funnels, whereas ConvertKit is perfect for creators looking to build and nurture their email list with powerful automation tools. For your convenience, the links to both Convertri and ConvertKit are in the description below so you can try them out. Click the link in the description to try Convertri and ConvertKit for free.